Good morning. Today's topic is SQL joins. Okay, or joins in SQL. So, what is a join? First of all, what is a join? Join होता क्या है? नाम ही से मालूम चल रहा है. A join combines rows from two tables in a database. Okay, what does a join do? Join clause. Join clause. CLAUSE. Okay, join clause combines rows or records. Join clause combines rows, जिसे हम records भी बोल सकते हैं, from two or more tables in a database. DB means database. So what is a join? Join is a clause in SQL which is used to combine two or more rows, okay, from multiple tables in a database. इतना सही है. Then there are certain types of joins. All right. Next comes types. Types में होगा आपका inner join, outer join. Okay. Outer join again has some parts. Left outer, right outer, full outer. Okay. There are certain types of joins, the inner join, outer join, and I will explain giving an example to you. First let me complete. In this video itself I will explain with one example, then it will be more clearer to you. Then what are the types? Inner join, outer join. Outer join has again some parts: left outer, right outer and full outer. So definition से तो clear हो चुका है. Joins is a clause in SQL. Okay, and join को काम करने के लिए एक से ज़्यादा टेबल का ज़रूरत है. Join can only work, join can only function, join operation can only take place when we have more than one table. दो टेबल होना चाहिए at least. Two or more tables. All right. So inner join. What does inner join do? Inner join returns the values which are matching in both tables. Join होने के लिए, join काम करने के लिए एक से ज़्यादा टेबल का ज़रूरत है. So these are more likely like the functions that one-to-one functions, one-to-many relationship is there na in class 12 maths. So there mainly it is similar to that one-to-one, many-to-one relationship. Okay. Say two tables I am representing in this way as two sets maths related to maths. So दो टेबल है, दो टेबल को हम लोग A and B are the two tables. I am representing the two tables of the database A and B. A and B database में दो टेबल है, दोनों टेबल को मैंने सेट हिसाब से रिप्रेजेंट किया. इनर जॉइन क्या रिटर्न करेगा? इनर जॉइन इंटरसेक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. Inner join will return the common value present in both the tables. Okay, common value check करने के लिए certain conditions are there. With example I will explain. So to check the common values in both the tables, certain condition we will use. So based on that condition, what are the common values in both tables? That will be returned by the inner join. Returns the value that are common in both tables. A and B, two tables in the database are represented in the form of set. The common part, the common elements are lying here. Okay, and this common will be returned by the inner join. That much. It's easy, not that tough. Okay. Then आ चुका है हम लोग का left outer. left outer join. So what does these do? It's a दो set है, दो table was two tables are there in the database A and B. Okay, I have represented them in the form of sets. So what does left outer join will do? Left outer join will return the values, returns all the values. एक बात, okay, ध्यान से, left outer join will return all the values from the left table of the database depending on certain conditions which are matching with the right table. Left outer join will return all the values from the left side of the table depending upon certain condition. वो condition क्या है? जो condition इस table को fulfill किया है. Left, again I am repeating, left outer join will return all the values of the table of the left table depending upon certain conditions which are matching with the right table of the database. All right, this you can, what I am saying, you can even write those as running notes, and in detail the notes I will be providing to you in PDF. Okay, अलग से PDF मिलेगा notes के लिए, और समझने के लिए रनिंग नोट, सेल्फ नोट्स बनाने के लिए व्हाट आई एम सेइंग राइट नाउ, यू कैन नोट इट डाउन. लेफ्ट आउटर जॉइन विल रिटर्न ऑल द वैल्यूज फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट टेबल ऑफ द डेटाबेस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सर्टेन फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ कंडीशंस इन द राइट टेबल. राइट टेबल में मैच किया है सर्टेन कंडीशन. ओके, देन ऑल द वैल्यूज ऑफ द लेफ्ट टेबल विल बी रिटर्न बाय द लेफ्ट आउटर जॉइन. सिमिलरली राइट आउटर जॉइन, तो राइट आउटर जॉइन क्या करेगा, नाम ही से मालूम चल रहा है. ओके, कॉमन पार्ट भी ऑल्सो ऑल बोला था ना, ऑल जब बोले थे तब तो ये भी आ जाएगा, सारा आएगा. ऑल द वैल्यूज ऑफ द लेफ्ट टेबल आई होल्ड. So what does right outer join do? Right outer join will return all the values of the right table. All the values of the right table depending upon certain conditions, depending upon the fulfillment of certain conditions of the left database table. फिर से दोबारा right outer join, अच्छा से ध्यान से, right outer join will return all the values of the right table depending upon certain conditions, depending upon the fulfillment of certain conditions of the left table. उतना ही है. Okay, finally what is full outer join? कॉमन मिल गया, लेफ्ट मिल गया, राइट मिल गया. ओके, पूरा मिलना है. वी वांट दैट two tables are there in the database, two tables I have represented in the form of sets A and B. Okay, represent किया in the form of sets A and B. मैथ से लाया सेट का कॉन्सेप्ट, ऐसा नहीं है. यहाँ पे भी सेम कि मैं समझाने के लिए आई एम डूइंग दिस वन, नॉट दैट. Even this is applicable in computer science, even represent like this only. Okay, so in the full outer join, two tables are there in the database A and B. Two tables are represented as this way. Here what the full outer join will return, it will return all the values of both the tables. Return all the values.